In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize finances and budgets in ClickUp. Managing your finances can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with the right tools and approach, it doesn't have to be. ClickUp, a versatile project management platform, offers a powerful way to track your budget and expenses so you can stay on top of your financial goals. Whether you're planning for a specific time frame, like a year, or simply organizing your monthly costs, this tutorial will walk you through setting up an efficient and effective budgeting system in ClickUp. First things first, log in to your ClickUp workspace. You can do this by heading to www.clickup.com and entering your login credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your main dashboard. This is your starting point where you can access all the tools and spaces available in your workspace. Next, decide where you want to organize your budget. In ClickUp, you can structure your work into spaces, folders, and lists. Choose the space or folder that makes the most sense for your financial planning. For example, you might choose a personal space for your family budget or a dedicated finances folder for multiple lists. Now it's time to create a new list. Look for the Create List button, which you'll find either at the top right corner of your screen or in the left-hand menu. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to name your list. Be descriptive with your naming to keep things clear and organized. For instance, you might name it 2024 Family Budget or Monthly Finances. This helps ensure you can easily identify the list later. After naming your list, take advantage of ClickUp's templates to simplify the setup process. You'll see an option to use a template. Select this option, and then type the word budget into the search bar. This will bring up a variety of templates tailored for financial tracking from the search results. Select the personal budget template. This template is specifically designed for managing personal finances and includes pre-configured fields to streamline your process. Once you've selected the template, click on Use Template to apply it to your new list. The system will take a moment to load everything, so give it a few seconds. When it's ready, you'll see the template's layout, complete with categories like monthly bills, subscriptions, one-time expenses, and income sources. Take a moment to review how the template is structured. It's designed to give you a head start, but you'll want to customize it to fit your specific needs. Begin by editing the example items provided. Replace the sample entries with your actual expenses and income details. For instance, update the monthly bills category with your rent or mortgage utility payments or any other recurring charges. You can also customize the columns to better suit your financial tracking style. Columns like amount, payment due date, notes, and status are already included, but feel free to adjust them as necessary. You might add a column for payment methods or remove one that isn't relevant to you. The goal is to make the list as practical and functional as possible for your unique situation. With the list structure in place, it's time to input your real financial data. Start by adding recurring expenses such as monthly subscriptions, utility bills, or loan payments. Then move on to one-time costs like annual fees or irregular purchases. Don't forget to include your income sources, whether it's a paycheck, freelance earnings, or other inflows of cash. Once your data is entered, your budget is ready to use. To make the most of it, monitor your spending regularly. Update the list as new expenses arise or payments are made, and adjust income entries as needed. Keeping your budget up to date will help you maintain a clear picture of your finances and stay on track with your goals. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've set up a personalized budgeting system in ClickUp that will help you stay organized and in control of your finances. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.